Reverb is an online marketplace for new and used musical instruments. Our mission is to make the world more musical. So we want to do that by being the best place for people to buy and sell gear. We wanted to build an office that had a variety of spaces for people to work from. And then we wanted to make something unique to us.
We definitely wanted to sprinkle in the use of unexpected materials choices between cables for your guitars. We made sure that all the colors were very soft and kind of really felt like Reverb.
Since this is an existing building, there were a lot of challenges. We had to add in a ton of MEP, a ton of power. So working with Skyline, I think we were able to come to really positive and thoughtful solutions.
I want to say the whole build out was, I want to say it's probably my favorite. It was just an awesome design. Gensler did a great job.
We partnered really closely on what the space would look like. And so I worked really closely with the guys on how they would bring our designs to life and how we would finish out the project.